Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to be looking out to how you can change Fiverr phone number for free. So lately I noticed that there are some people finding it so difficult to change phone number on Fiverr. Probably you have one issue or the other on your old number, and you are looking out to how to how you can actually change the number to a new number you got. And there are sometimes you might also face issue with changing of payment option on Fiverr. So, and if you don't have access to the old phone number, you won't be able to withdraw. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually change your old phone number to a new one that you actually have with you. Or even though if you don't lost the old number, there is another way. You can still use this method to change phone number from one number to another. So the first thing you have to do is just come down to fiverr.com here. So under fiverr.com, then you click on your profile picture here, so on the right corner here. So once you click on profile picture, then you come down to settings, then click on settings here. So once you click on settings, you see different options here. Then you see account security, notification, payment method, then the W9 form. So then you see all your details here, which your full name, your email address, your online status, if you're online, so that buyer will be able to find your gig. So then if you want to deactivate your account, and if you want to leave Fiverr, so the next thing you have to do is just click on security here. So once you click on security, you see change password. Then if you want to change the password, so there is this option here. And if you want to change the phone number, there is still the option here to change your phone number. And as well as if you want to change your security question, so there is still option for you to change the security question too. So as you can see here, there are a lot of options that you can actually go through here. So the next thing for you is just click on edit, because you are trying to change your phone number. So just click on edit here. So once you click on edit, it will pop up and ask you for your security answer. So just put your security answer here. So I just did my own, then click on continue. So once you click on continue, so you'll be able to see be able to input the old number. So once you input the old number, then you click on the continue here. So once you click on continue, and trust me, in the country here, it doesn't actually matter. So you can list to any country, even though if you are in US, and it will still show Canada. So you just want to know that you are the real owner of the account. So just input the old phone number. So once you input the old phone number, then click on continue. So if the number is actually correct, so you'll be able to click on continue and have access to input the new phone number you want to put. So once you input the new phone number, so they will send you security a code, the 4-digit code, like just the way you verify the first phone number. So once you do that, then the new phone number will be sent to your email, and it will tell you that you just changed your phone number on Fiverr platform. So this is just the method you can use to change the phone number on Fiverr platform. So I guess this is actually a straightforward video on how you can change phone number on Fiverr platform. So if you have any question, I would like you to just drop a comment under this video, then I will look into it and reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because it really means a lot to me. Thank you.